What's good? It's your girl Michaela Janae here, back with another video, and today's video is a little bit different because I will be walking you guys through the full process of me assembling my brand new office chair. This office chair is actually by Mainstays, which is a Walmart brand. It is like the velvet plush chair, I want to say it's called, and it was recently gifted to me for my birthday by my daddy. Shout out to him. I'm so glad that he gifted me this chair because I've had my eye on it for some time now. It's been in my Walmart cart for a very long time. I've actually seen the price fluctuate a little bit. It usually ran for $64, but this specific color right here, which is the dusty gold, was on sale for like $54, I want to say, or $57. It was on sale, and this is the one that I really had my eye on to go with my nice red desk. I think it came in like white, pink, purple, and maybe a blue, but none of those really would have went well with the red. The white may have would have went, but I didn't really want white in my craft room because sometimes I do paint in here. If you guys did not know, I'm also very crafty. This right here is actually like my crafting area, my sewing room in my parents' laundry room. So it's a shared space, and I wanted a chair that was compact but also able to move around everywhere I need to go with ease and fit underneath my desk and my little sewing table and my cutting table. So this chair is literally perfect. I put it together myself. It didn't take a lot of time at all, maybe like 30 minutes to an hour maybe, but I was able to do it without a man's help, so that's saying something. As you can see, I have my little crochet blanket on the back of it because I just need a lot of extra support while I'm sitting sewing. But this is the back right here, and I love that the back gives like full back support, which is very essential when it comes to sewing, so I can like rest my back. It is pretty comfortable, but sometimes I just like to have a little extra cushion, so I put my little blanket back there. It rolls around very easily. I love that it's able to move swiftly, so I can get around the area in my room real nice, real fast. It's very comfortable, and I also like how low it goes, so if I need to like do something on the floor, I can almost do it still sitting because of how low the chair takes me, which I really do appreciate. To me, it was worth every penny that he paid. I didn't have to pay it, thank you Jesus. But I absolutely love this chair. It was truly a blessing, and it fits so well underneath the desk, no issue at all. And it also fits well under my table that you guys always see me cutting on. So I absolutely have no complaints. If you're interested in buying this chair, this video is going to tell you everything you need to know about putting it together. I really walk you guys through the instructions and all that, but I think it's so cute, it's so girly, especially if you're someone who wants the pink chair. I actually saw this chair in person like 2 or 3 years ago. Here's a screenshot right here, and like I said, it has been on my mind for a very long time because I always knew I want to upgrade my chair in here. So I'm so glad I finally have one, and it is in such a beautiful color, and it's just so cute. The bottom accents are gold. You can't really see it, but you guys know I love gold. It goes so well with the room. As you can see, I have a lot of just jewel tones in here, so I feel like the gold is very fitting. Let's just hop right into the assembly portion of this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So today I will be walking you guys through how I'm going to put together my dusty gold velvet office chair by Mainstays. I got this from Walmart, like I said in the intro. It came with some pretty thorough instructions. It was super easy. I literally did this in a span of 30 minutes to an hour by myself, no help. So if I did it, you girls can definitely do it too. The color was actually way more pretty than I thought it was going to be. I was a little worried about the dusty gold, but it's actually pretty cute, and I love the gold on the hardware. So right here I'm showing you all the different parts. So it came with 5 casters, a base cover and a base, metal legs, a gas lift, a seat plate, a seat cushion, and a back cushion. It also came with 5 small bolts, 4 big bolts, 4 small bolts, and an Allen key. Now the difference in the small bolts is one is short and one is long, so nothing crazy, not a lot of small pieces, and an Allen key that came with it, so you didn't have to worry about having any tools of your own because it already came equipped with everything you'll need. So right here you just see me taking apart everything, taking the plastic off of everything, making sure I have what I need to put this chair together. As you can see, it really matches my room well. Like, I love how well it goes with the blanket and my bedding, but this is actually going in my sewing room, as you guys saw in the little intro. And I feel like this color was the one that was going to match the red desk the most. It comes in like white, pink, purple. I'm really glad that I was gifted the dusty gold. So these are the legs right here that I'm opening up. I'm just opening up everything, and then we're going to get started on assembly. So first things first, I'm taking the base cover off of the base, and then I'm going to get the legs ready to put on the base. I'm going to insert the metal legs into the base and secure it with the bolts, the 5 bolts, the short ones. And I'm going to use that little Allen key thing to screw it in. You want to make sure that you're not screwing it in too hard. You don't want to strip the screw, so just be careful when you are screwing it in. You don't need to use any power tools or anything. Just use the little Allen key and it's going to get the job done. So as you can see, I'm opening it up right here, and I'm just going to place the screws in the holes, making sure that it's in the right position before I tighten it up. And we're just going to twist around, and I'm going to do that 5 times, and then we're going to come back and you're going to see me press in the casters. Now, if you're anything like me, you have no idea what casters are. They're the wheels. They're the spinny wheels at the bottom of the chair. These definitely took some force. Like, as you can see, I'm putting my whole body into this because it was hard to push in. But once they were in, it was very secure. So I'm just going around pushing these in. So once I put the base cover back on, now I'm inserting the gas lift into the center hole of the base. So right here you see me aligning the seat plate over the pre-drilled holes on the underside of the seat cushion. With the front of the seat plate facing the front of the seat cushion, make sure I'm attaching the seat plate to the seat cushion using the 4 bolts. And then I'm tightening all the bolts with the enclosed Allen key from the little package. Like I said, this Allen key is all you need. And I'm making sure that I'm not, once again, screwing it too tight on there. But this is the little power lifting that's going to make the chair go up and down. So I make sure that it's secured to the bottom and it's facing the right way. Base plate is on there. I'm going to attach the back of the chair to the seat cushion, and I'm going to use those, what's called, the 4 bolts, the A3, and I'm going to tighten those with the Allen key once again. This was also like a little difficult to line up perfectly because the back of the seat cushion does have a little bit of weight to it, so I was just balancing it with my leg and screwing this in. After this point, you're basically just going to put it all together and you're done. You just want to sit in it, make sure it is sturdy and that none of your screws are too loose, and you're good to go. And to put it together, all I had to do was turn the chair upright, locate the central hole of the seat plate, and put it over the gas lift. So easy. The chair swivels so well, and it was very sturdy. I'm in love with this chair. If you are thinking about purchasing it, please do.